RPA and the workforce, augmenting human potential. At its core, RPA uses software bots to mimic human actions. These include data entry, form processing, and workflow orchestration. These bots work tirelessly and accurately, 24/7. So, they are ideal for high-volume, repetitive tasks. How RPA augments human potential. Liberating employees from monotony, repetitive tasks, like invoice processing and data migration, waste employees' time and energy. With RPA, these tasks are automated, freeing employees from monotony. This boosts morale and lets people focus on human, creative tasks. Enhancing decision-making with data accuracy. Human errors in data-intensive tasks can lead to significant repercussions. RPA ensures accuracy and consistency in data entry, analytics prep, and compliance reporting. RPA provides reliable data, scaling productivity without burnout. Unlike human workers, RPA bots work around the clock without fatigue. This greatly boosts efficiency. This scalability allows organizations to handle peak workloads without overburdening employees. Driving innovation and creativity. With routine tasks automated, employees have more time to innovate. RPA enables teams to focus on high-impact activities. They can then experiment, brainstorm, and implement new ideas. The collaborative workforce, humans and bots working together. Digital assistants for every employee. In customer service, RPA bots can retrieve customer histories. This lets agents focus on empathetic interactions. In logistics, bots handle inventory updates, enabling staff to manage operations efficiently. Proactive problem solving, bots excel at monitoring workflows for anomalies. They alert humans to potential issues before they escalate. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and enhances productivity. Bridging the skills gap. As bots take over routine work, organizations can invest in employee development. This will bridge the skills gap and keep workers competitive in a tech-driven job market. Conclusion. In conclusion, RPA is not just a tool for efficiency, it's a catalyst for workforce transformation. RPA unlocks human potential by automating mundane tasks.